Hatamudiliya Daridi also Delhi University liya Delhi and Labrishim Ditolia Yon to the Gavsha Chonsong Chezang and Gazu the Giganda Danashingi de Pivilu Samaria it's some British shy.
I'm very happy. I'm very happy to be able to come to Delhi University today, and so I'd like to offer my greetings to all of the faculty and students.
Thank you. Thank you. Uma Tagisuma Singi Delhi University liya Uma Tinsi Yuha Chebri Tidusane and the deal with Chatan and Shudelia and Yomotubri. Chesa and the Dines on the Tapaji, Yangarji, Yohach, the Yungumares, and San Chanson. Tayimbine and the Ridi Yangarchi Lebre. And that didn't give the Jeja di and Nago Godama the Jishan Arangushan Water Mason, the Hindustane. And the Mashiti Jeja del small acts, la Justane. Tari Chunjun Ruji Temudo, and the Hindustane. The Kandria, the Jig Kashue, Labrichilia Lebti, and a Narang Siji in Sabatang, and Dana Chiponan Sungalia, the Kokabnam Delia, Tushishuai.
As was mentioned, in the past I had the plan to come to the Delhi University and we'd arranged everything, but at the last moment it had to be called off and didn't work out. And from that point on I was afraid that it would never work out and I would never be able to come. But it has, and so I'm happy to be here today. And so also the topic of today's talk, I only really learned about it last night. So it's like the kindness of small acts, or if you mispronounce it, it sounds like a small hatchet. In any case, I'm very happy to have this opportunity and honored to be able to come to the university today.
And it's down that country. Lubru Tindiliang, think Kashish, the university, the college, the university, Lubru Tindilia, Tua Gogub Tinkashi Chumbre. That Tinkashi Chumbre, that is used on an Azupinzu, Chigilia, Kashre, that is some sharing cha. And a Manguchigi, the Kashre. And the Industane and some yet Karchangdustana. And near Pa Kuzulia, Pachi Labsi Gale, and near Kuzuzan, Suji Kashureda, Nyamyon, Senadando, Yana Losu Tebe de Mangarujan, which is the Tonarion, and the Hindustane, Unetan, that they be sharing Chamadovegi, Niega Tonema, Chikashre, Hajangi, Nyamyon, the Dembetone, Ma. Losu gas at the Kaushi Chadi or something to Hindustan. Did a need Tahana sing Tiring Delia and a Labrisham Dina Rolia and the Dangia Maj Kashre, Losu gas at it, Kashre, Losu Gap, Taxi Sadi, and a Kaushi something use.
I have had several opportunities to meet with students, whether students from colleges or universities. And during these several opportunities, we've had a wonderful chance to share experiences and share ideas. And sometimes the way I feel after these events is that actually there is more that I have to learn from hearing about the students' experiences in education. I get more out of it than the students do from anything that I have to say. And so I feel like today where it's really best for us to share the experience. And I don't really feel like I have any experiences that I can really teach anything about. I feel it'd be difficult for me to really educate you about anything. And so for that reason, I feel as if today here in this university, particularly, that it would be difficult for me to actually educate you on anything.
Yes, Amelia, casual. That the ring judge the devil cherry mina. Aningazu, casual. The net range casual. Chulugi, the leader somewhere. Chulug leader which he Sobdar Jimmy Industana and Richley Industanta, Shusho than Devegi. Lamsanji Koran Kashwadaji Lamsanji Chuludan Devachadi which Lamsan Migi Namdos and a Seminalolia Digi Namdos and Randu Yanaji Samu Nishi Yungure. That Yimbin and Namgi concern Chasmer Tonara Chadi Machechi Kashrudan Samlo the Chuchingain and Shell Mengain and Samlo that Droni Bachibuche. And you did Soyimba, did Soy with some Jim Bichigo in Jusana. Titon, that Shizegi, that interview the Shizegi. Mazurgi, that Tonasama with Titon and some bandi, Nake church years. The Chulu Jimbe when some bantele, the Shizegi dan draw Michidan, some Jimbe when Mazutona Chico in Bachidan, energy. As someone would go in between, he taught somebody get share.
Now, in regards to today's topic, since I have the position or the image of being the leader, a religious leader, then most people, when they hear this, they immediately think that I'm going to be speaking about something that's connected with religion. But the way I see it is actually that's not really where my main interest lies. Instead, whether we're religious people or whether we don't have faith in any religion, we're all the same in being human. We're all the same in experiencing pain and pleasures and pain, in being sentient beings. And so from a foundational level, there's that experience, those feelings that we are all the same in having. And that is really what I consider most important. So it's not, for me, a question so much of the religion, but what is the most important thing is that on a foundation level, we are the same in being human and the same in experiencing feelings.
Lo Dungi Gablia Kamabi Munzi, that the name logically as soon Becablia and a Pene Gagalia Treasure Young says that is Loj Chunjung Gablia, Chunjung Gabne Sonde, Takane, Ganges and Rando challenge your Mambuchi, a Guiji, Drawing that was chatting on it, then you stand the Gunsel Dene. Any Kashwe Digi Samologi Kashwe Daji Kidu Tsoas and Dado, Gadu Tsoa de Azu Kashwe Daji Chigway in Bajitang, Azuti Yamdo Kashwe Daji Ashu Shizegi Nedan, Chik Tolia Nedi of the Tsoa de Narania Ding Samur Bajar, she has Tongus.
For myself, when I was 7 years old, I was recognized as the Karmapa. And then when I was 14, I had to flee from Tibet to India. And so from the time I was very young, I've had to face many challenges and many difficulties. And what I see from all of this is that we are all the same in experiencing feelings of happiness and sadness. Found in terms of on the foundational level, we are the same in the terms of the imprints that this has made upon us.
당연히 유성규에 간다가 주지 수수의 미진 안올이야 알이야지 로춘준급네 딱 간다 지당기 아니 지바춘준다 먼저 이제 초화를 깨버려 초화기 들이잖아 급디두산다 지 수수기 강엘이야 동래 차당 수신 차가 누버르디 미세지 간데 총벌했어 미망부지 삼례 나로래야 가주에 가르친 거 알았으나 아니 가지 미 가주다 reincarnation 임버르지당 안다나지 religious leader 비미 믹스에게 뉴버르지 버르 삼버지 미션달 매버지 믹스에게 뉴버르지 기레 삼버지 정기 알아 이비네한테 나랑 게 when 쉐빈 띵왜 전 템버르 쳐야 말해 간다 강에 마음 수신차 클리컬리 수수 딱가서 롭종체 다나 신기 수수는 배주체네 안에 수수 뉴버젠도 진도 교어를 마다베 강본에 뉴버에 대비지다 다나 신기 뒤몸에 가서 도수 위에 대비지게 말씀 좀
So from the time I was very young, I've had this feeling, this thought about how is it that, what are the feelings like that we experience as a human? And when we face difficulties or challenges or problems, where does the power, the ability to bear with them and to deal with them come from? Now, many people probably think that since I was recognized as a reincarnate Lama, since I am a religious leader, that I must have some sort of a particular sort of ability that other people do not, and that I have some sort of a special ability. But from my own point of view, I do not think that that is true. I feel that when there are difficulties that need to be faced, it comes from our own education and the efforts that we put into it, that only then do we develop the capability to deal with the difficulties of life. It is not the case that that there were special powers. It is only at that point that we then develop the abilities and the particular powers.
드린주 다조디 아주제 남배쉐什么的 남배쉐기 다 가르에 탑럼을 대내 사람들도 다간다 남배쉐기 에네 가르에 나래 에네 가르에 이제 methods somewhere 아다 디토네 간다르 소수기 에네 셈레 somewhere 소수기 다 셈리 글롱 산한다도 셈 니버 춘춘지 임이냐 아들이야 간다르지 good care somewhere 간다 토나치부 제거하지도 자와시부 제거하지 인주산은 디기 니버 드지에베 직 송교하르 인주산 디균센데네 에너지 가르에 다다바도 지쇼르 레아데 조조디 안가즈기 지 셴평 삼바산나장도 안 그래그래지 셴평 삼바당 안다나 신기 셴나 제외 삼바 데리야 제제르 체제 디기 가르 뉴버디 수수기 생고나로지 사베언르지 띵 삼부를 답이에 인산 디 뉴버데는 중앙에 지금 문제식이
So the main thing is that with the methods that are taught in Buddhism, there are these small, there's our mind, the motivations we have in our mind. And it's said that we have that potential, that ability within our mind. And so this is our motivation. It is the wish. It is the love for others, the power to be able to have love for others, and this is present within us. And so these altruistic thoughts, the wish to benefit others, the affection for others, is something that has been planted deeply within us. And I think that the ability comes out of those seeds.
아들이 주산에 다 개외 뉴베스는다도 그런데 상물로 그런 아주 사변 지도는 매도를 말씀 사변 때 사변 들이야 아니 가르에 아장기다지 take care somewhere 튜비 겐 서버샤다 미튜비 겐 세워차 다 이제 돈에 간다 가르에 수수 수생당尊주 망고지고 알아 된 더나 신기 하는 아주 여기 가수에 수수 셈리아 다 땡게 예들 섬으로 땡게 자와도 상물로 더나 신 아주 여기 만년부 윤경치아디 계셔버릇이 동거였어.
So the powers of virtue, the power of the motivations are like a seed. From a seed we can grow a flower. But when you plant a seed, you need to take care of it. You need to provide it all that it needs. You need to eliminate all the things that would inhibit it. And so it's a question of being patient and being diligent about growing the seed. Similarly, with our minds, we have the innate compassion that is present within our minds, and it is important for us to nurture it so that it does not weaken and so that it instead increases.
Hindustane dona kandrang azu gi sem gi namdo jiliya denche namdo ti gyuche an azu gi bena nga ge tamju ine teladene yonde achi tene rimbesin di je lugi nam gyurdan lugi chawala ya gyurru yebichi Hindustane an lugi chawal gyun tene kaligara dati ji karsu mizi nangi 윤도를 붙이 조구에 붙이 이 미술이 윤도 등에 붙이다. 안 디네 규제는 지도를 유어 동에 붙이 이 인주산에 지 시절을 뒤 다가다 소수의 셈게 남도 산다도 손게 셈게 균로 데 텔라데네 안 도슈로 중국으로 다들 영어되게 해서 데 인주산 디 균셀데네 안정 나중에 바로도 지가 소수의 셈게 균로당 안에 가수다지 motivation del이야 아주 돈안 세고야지 그랑 take 세고야지 계속 뭐 정도 알았어.
So when we have a thought in our mind, then through that thought, then we will say things orally. And then through that, we will then express ourselves physically. We will act with our body. And our actions that we perform with our body will then have an effect on our human life. And because of this, it will also have an effect on society. And so all of this effect comes because of the, you can call them the thoughts we have in our mind or the motivations we hold in our mind. It is because of them that we have these, are able to have this influence. And so for that reason, we must take care of the motivations that we have and pay close attention to them.
아주 뒤름이 있어지 왜 나로리야 so much information 많고 싶어요 비치 안 데이지선 참참 아주리야 that education 이제 마포 뭐예 비치 아주 천하에 온디가 아래 understanding 너무 싶어요 비치 다 임비네야 참참 아주지 니주지 상처리야 요아요아래야 education 집에 이제 배도매야 비치 the motivation so much better lebe na lo lia azu understanding of jibu mi bian ba azu sim gi ding ne ta kan da ji yudo dra ta de du ba me ba chu ko ya ta ti me ba sa di ene ka zo nga zu di ta di kulon motivation telia den de ji ka zo je ba sta yo de bi so de bus.
In the 21st century, we do not lack for information. There's so much information that we have. We always feel like there's a lot of education, that we're not deprived of education. We have a lot of understanding. And yet, if we want to change the situation for the better, then just merely having an understanding does not necessarily help. Merely having an education alone does not necessarily help. What we need to have is we must have the wish in our mind, or the interest in our mind, and that is very clearly linked with our motivations.
Drin du sane ta drin ye sha de ka shu da ji che wei yun de so ma de ji gen ju chun chun ji che wei yun de ro xie de da zo de a zo sim da zhe ye de bi de da gun long gi pen yun so ma de ken yun ro bi Quran gi che wei yun de ro de ji ye de ba de ne ru xia men ro a ji dan da ma gu chi xia ske men do a drin du sane
And so really the topic of our discussion today, the greatness of small acts, it's how from that small thing in that small act can have a great effect. And this really is very connected with our minds. And it's really talking about the greatness of the motivations and the benefits of the motivations that we have in our minds. And so I think that really is the essence of what there is to say. There's not much else that I can say, and it's better for me to leave it here right now.
Under the towards the Yabda, the Industane, and towards the Dapazi to a guess and to a guess and a patent to Yabda. The Mabuji. Okay.
And so now we will have the question and answer. And for the question and answer, I think that probably 8 questions is a good number.
I have a few questions. I will read it for the Reverend. And first question, a name is not given. What is your take on the active peace of Buddhism in countries like Myanmar and Sri Lanka?
Can you read again? Hello. Read again. Please read again. Read the question. Yeah.
This is what in your take, means opinion probably. What is your opinion on the active peace of Buddhism in countries like Myanmar and Sri Lanka?
Okay.
Active peace, its impact on the Myanmar and the Sri Lanka like that.
Okay. The knowledge going about this violence, maybe. Tati 가수에 저 식네 가수에 남아상계비 다 노스 즉 드시를 야야위나 다지 지당 니수르디 에너지 당부 출루기 니 출루기 바닥이 겐더르지 당분의 출루 바닥 겐더르지 제제 딘데 녀라 인다 안 치즈야 줄로 이 겐더를 비치려 규르치 뭐야 야 수에 샤베 등에 시라랑 고츠우민도스 가라서는 게 디톨이야 믹스에기 가슈라지 심주르게 제야만 인두상에 다달람상 지금 데레 말에 슈트야디 칼칼 하부도스 다 임비냐 지다다 가다 들리지 니주르지 대야지 낭베기 가수 지조아 지금 남들에게 가수에다 세외기 내단으로 쇼부들이야 아 로밤당 아니지 들이야 가수에 가수에다지 against 로직 yes
Is okay. Should I go with the
Answer.
next question?
no answer
So if we look at the situation from one perspective, I don't really know the history of the situation. I don't know whether the conflicts in these countries started out as conflict between two religious communities, or whether there was another conflict that was then, that a religious dimension was then added, that it was changed into religious or made into a religious conflict. So I have not studied these conflicts in detail, and I do not really know the situation that well. However, in terms of the basic situation, when you have a situation of violence in a Buddhist country, it is something that I find very disappointing, and I am very much against it.
The question comes from Nishant Kumar, is the Department of Buddhist Studies. Will the Karmapa may reincarnate as a woman in next life? Read that one.
네 예사블이야 미세 조아스케 처음 말해서 미마오치기 디 가르에지 조아를 통고 알아들이 미생 전주 선배 지단당 까마바디 지단 나바상게 가르에지 로다 체빈디 미세 강 가르에지 조아를 개처 아마다 그러니까 김자 가라서는 아주 가르쳐서나 전주 선배디 주기에 아니 심진 뒤에 된도는 주베지 않던 거래서 인두산에 아니 다 베나지 포당 모당 안다 간다지 타는 아주지 디시어로 다 베나지 매종만 되게 남바는 된거 알아서 다 되게 시어 인두산에 아니 심진 뒤에 된다 주베지 않던 처벌에 삼르지 근데 증도 되네 인두산에 텔량 다 임비네 다 디기 주와용하디 아주 지조가 난게 지 참자면 지조 나로래야지 포초 몸에 다와 포초도 기보다 몸에 받는 데 다와 용기 예배인자 디토안에 버지 주와도 용하지 마도 나바 상계배 이게 따지 가수의 reincarnation 디 로당 토는 시에빈 디 주와디 이제 주와를 개체가만 따디고 인바르지 폴라기와렌초 말 몰라기와렌초 거래 가레나렌초 버레스 아니 까마베기 다지 마오바레지 양시디 다 모에 대한 페게를 말했어야지 녜더달람서 타쳐야 돼 가고 싶다 가레사나 디타제야디 다 까마바세야디 로구게라고 루주에 되듯이 민주스탄에 다디 마오바 간데 제마지사데 나들 디 로나 추추들이 제 이제 토안에 람상 타쳐야 돼 가고 싶다 그래서 다 이비냐 용처버성도 다 가리네 용처버가 용시버지 될 미세 아랑외네 미세게 심적해민도스
Actually, I really think that this is not such a big question. And many people do see it as a question. I'm asked about it frequently, but in terms of bodhisattva and the way it is taught in Buddhism, it is really not a very big question. And the reason it is not such a big question is that bodhisattvas for the benefit of sentient beings, bodhisattvas will take birth and emanate many different forms, as male or as female, as whatever sort of form. It's even said that prostitutes, that bodhisattvas will emanate themselves as prostitutes if it will help other sentient beings. And so it is possible that a bodhisattva could appear in any sort of form. It doesn't really matter. But this is a question, if we look at where this kind of a question comes from, it comes from the society that we're in, a sexist society where there is a great difference, and many people consider men to be superior and women to be inferior, and so forth. However, from the Buddhist point of view, the way reincarnation works in Buddhism, it's actually not a big question at all, because of course it can happen. There's absolutely no question about that. The bodhisattvas can incarnate themselves as men or as women or as anything in order to help sentient beings. Now, in terms of the Karmapa, there being a female reincarnation of the Karmapa, that's a difficult question for me to answer right now. And the reason why this is a difficult question is because the Karmapa is a lineage with a history of 900 years. And I'm still young, and I can't make all these decisions for the future right now. But of course, it is possible, but I'm really not able to make any definite decisions about it today.
Thank you. There's two questions, it is interlinked, and basic questions. Why must a person refuge in the three jewels to become a Buddhist? The second question, it's related to it again. Can a person attain enlightenment and liberation if he or she practice Dhamma without taking refuge? Can a person attain enlightenment and the liberation if he or she?
The first one?
First one is why a person.
What's the reason?
They say why we need to go to become a Buddhist, go to the triple refuge.
Okay. 지단기 가수의 넘버 마샤비 균지. 넘버 이면 개발사데 개발 예다 망부시다야. 다 cam주 유명에 터는 넘버 이면 샤디 다 별이야 다 용자를 차다 저 조지반에 어디 자가르 글로베 신디바당 조지반에 어디 샤기 내 송유의 인사 안 별이야 다 용자르디 또 차브레 세마도 엄마 자가르야 딘데베 세버시다라 아이나 cam주 유명에 차나 샤딘데 녜바스케 소마네 다 간다냐 아주디 남주지 가르페나 아주디 니치고아레 베나 소소리야 나서 찹치버를 파워이미나 베나지 가르레 다 샴페네르 좀 많이 비체 나서 찹치에르 파워이미나 아니 멘간지나 친체 에너지 가르레 딜리야 칠레 케버서 말베 나서 딜리야 칠레 케베기 아니 멤버들 땡고아레 메이나 믹스에 사고아레 다가나 신기 아니 메요 디스 튠게 고아레 다가나 신기 베테는 튠버 안에 남바 상계비기 다 녀몽 받으서 다 나서 내로 지는 거지 지가 내 첩첨부지야 내 첩첨부디기 신이 여비 인도스탄에 내 텔레 트레베 체도 안에 멤버들이 안에 상계 좀 되는데 다 상계 멤버들 체 안 디기 숨비 체디 멤버 체 다나 신기다 디 숨의 튠버 중간기 긴드인디서다 너스로 메어르들 지금 두시르 제제 안드리 땡고 아래 숨고 아래 인도스탄 디준센 데네 다 지지 군소 숨 창화지고 아 김센으로 땡아서 빼르 디샤비는 안 파지지 robzan으로 시에트야를 드리지 용거를 삼튼 예스.
In general, there are many different ways that we can distinguish whether someone has become a Buddhist or not, different ways to distinguish Buddhists from non-Buddhists. It's most commonly said in Tibet that you are Buddhist if you have taken refuge in the Three Jewels. And so this is a tradition that was taught by the Indian masters Shantipa and Dipankara or Atisha. And that then it became very well known in Tibet. But when we look at Indian Buddhism, it's not so clear that this was necessarily the only or the most clearly taught distinction between between Buddhist and non-Buddhist in ancient India. In any case, what we normally say is we give an analogy. It's like if you are stricken with an illness. And this is not just a light illness, such as a cold. It's like if you have a severe illness, then you have to go to a hospital. And then you need to visit a doctor who is a specialist in that disease. That doctor then gives you the treatment, and you have to follow the treatment. And as you follow that treatment, then you also need to have nurses who help you take your follow the treatment. So similarly, in Buddhism, we talk about the kleshas, the afflictions, as being like a severe illness that we have been infected with. And in order to cure ourselves of that severe illness, then we need to rely upon the Buddha, who is like the doctor, like the specialist doctor. And then the Dharma that the Buddha teaches is like the medicine that will help us cure that illness. And the Sangha of the individuals who practice the teachings properly are like the nurses that help us get over the illness. And so for that reason, we need to rely upon all three, the Buddha, Dharma, and Sangha. And so that is the analogy that we often give for why we need the three jewels.
교수만로알리아 아니지 가수 타바토야 요래다 요마레스 최냠nenchen 타바토야서 다디 파지 겸드기 가수 그 리추얼 게 마치 겸드 dom바제 리추얼 제네 초가빵하는 데 토하는 겸드 dom바 레만에 다디 그랑 니주 카르셰 이나다 고추 냠nenchen 게지나 되게 겸슨 로사 지버려 최냠내 제비나 그 최냠내 최리 이지 제거하래 최리 이지 제거 여빈자 디기 슈기 아니 최송법 못담발에 이지 마제라 제르지 아니 대단냠도 젠더비기 최들이 이시에나 최들 중행기 아니 가사들 여빈에 디솔에 그 랑기 강기 이제 요한데 하지다 가보 요한데 하루 차기 여빈 두산 디규제된 다 되게 다 겹선 로스난다 되게 다 이치야래 야 인지미지 가르에 깜루 체스들산에 리추얼을 체제 다이 비게지 미세가 제구를 체 아니지 비게 초가로 당한데 이제 토네 제거하는 이게바도 과스게 이게 말해서 것도 다 가르에 그 된다들 레벨 있는데 저거 봐도 된다들 레벨 있는 저거 인지미지 다들이야 비게지 치기 토하는 마지 겨르고 하는 지기다 비게 미세기 가르 룽아 토네 자체가 알아 좀 이제 이게 말해서 좀 다 예비네야 바지다 이네야 된기 고조스음 잡스만 로리아네 가르 리버레이션 남백 토네 시야가 리버레이션 타우사 카고스타데 가르스 남백이 리버레이션 데 고조스음이야 템바 시샤 토네 시기에 인상 안데 가라 카버스
And then the second question was whether one can achieve liberation without going for refuge. If someone practices Dharma, can they achieve liberation without going for refuge? And I think that if you think of refuge as being a ritual, a liturgy that you have to recite, a ritual that you have to follow, then it's difficult to say that that is necessary. But actually, if in actuality, in meaning, if you are practicing the Dharma, then in actuality you have gone for refuge. And the reason for that is if you're practicing the Dharma, then that means that you believe in the Dharma. If you believe in the Dharma, that means that actually you also believe in the teacher who taught that Dharma, the Buddha. And you also, if you believe in the Dharma, then you also believe in the people who also practice that Dharma. And so, in the true meaning of things, you actually are going for refuge. But if you were to think that going for refuge means that there's some sort of a ritual, some sort of a liturgy that you must recite, something that you must do, then that is not absolutely necessary. So you have to have the meaning of going for refuge, and whether the words of going for refuge are there or not is not so important. It's not primarily, going for refuge here does not mean, primarily does not mean doing something with your body or speech. However, if you don't go for refuge in that, in actuality, in that real way, then it's difficult to achieve liberation, at least in Buddhist terms. And the reason for this is that the basis of the Buddhist practice is going for refuge.
Thank you. These two questions were from the Tenzin Jampa, my previous Buddhist studies, and the Thupten Wangdi from Hindu College. Now I'll go for the next question. One is not, name is not given, but the question is, in today's hectic lifestyle, it is very easy to neglect small virtues and perhaps unnoticeable at occasion. Rinpoche ji, how do you suggest we should cope with these situations? Today's hectic lifestyle, it is very easy to neglect small virtuous acts and perhaps unnoticed at occasion. How do you suggest we should cope with this situation?
dati gewa chun shun ta nga zu sem de be nga zu sem da kan dar jidan dürum ni zhe ba habar do chongge nan den gen de zhe sem de shira ge ka shre seng seng shi cha ja sem nar do mane ber shi cha de ara an ring ju sa di gyun zen de ne ji ka shre gewe chao chun chun de zu ya da ka shre de zu gi de zu ya ji 대수 개심이 비지단 대주기 지 조화를 녀하데 카부시다게도 이 성의성이 차서 다들 인주산에 종견한 dengen지를 개시슈디 지 가르치는 방법 시스템마 내도 패네 시스템이야 가르쳐야지 relax 지 시스템이야 예수치야데 개심 십시래샤 시스템이야 예수 태비미나 덴덴지 소소 이제 담이네야 덴덴디 이제디 아버지 영화지 덴덴지 편도를 필요 용기에 비지다 다 간다 유심리 양에서 태야데 계시비지 계좀 차디 알아 디나는 셈능에서 태야데 셈능에서 태비나 아니 룰능에서 이냐 아버지 태야지 셈능에서 마태비나 안다가스 비게지 가르 니세 니지 간이야 바지 nye deba tsamshigi luli yang yesu tia khala khabar chadi yor ni bistam ng yesu tia de kejim shimda ta yesu tia de shimji kejim chadi yor ti nane pena ngazu namgi ti sigor karsa de ul simji ni samla lung le simji ni ji karso ba un jungoblia dene ane meditation cha gomgyadi kejim shimji ti 야보시비도 something 가르스다나 아주 우세야데 가두이네 아주 우 땅데 야래 다 이미네고 가두이네 땅장으로 진디데 미세게 통거만 아주 도나게 이거 벌써 우 땅게 예명 아주 하고 뭐도 선도 다나마도 다 이미네 우세야데 체비나 아는 아주 싫어 인주스다네 아주 우비 교화들이야 참성 아주 데빈 니즈도 마음베 니즈도 시다 삼로 마다만 치지 다다 소수기 땅대야기 우기 교지 텔량 다랑리아지 삼로 땅지 다랑 돌이야지 셈디 릴렉스를 쉐위미나 어느 신의 소수지 우단디 예비지다 다는 우단디 오늘은 자신부 개심이지입니다 야 뒤에 유인의 세상 아주 가르쳐도 그랬잖아 다다 소수지 우단 소초되면 다랑 먼저 침부지다 다랑 럭키스 뭐라다지 오늘은 아주지 개발 상부를 지미지 아주 어처용 거 같아 근데 이제 충분히면 신의지 다대기 기지만 뒤털이야 the moment 뒤털이야 우 요지 다 대자침으로지 아주 소소 통용 거 같아 인도스탄 된지지 균이세지 아니 갈리 아니 디네지 배신도 아니 소소기 미진한게 소소도 남유 소소리야 예대봐 다나시 소소를 전일 다다나 예대봐 다나시 소소기 니지기 초회출 예대봐 되게들 배신들이 삼당인도 아니 신이 지 가서 계획에 자와 충무지를 임비냐 그여진 당한당 아니 그 계획을 임비다 그리가 통투야시 그래서 연구면에 좀 드릴 tengo dos.
Now, in the 21st century, particularly for urban dwellers, our minds get really hectic, they get really active, and we aren't able to let our minds just rest naturally. And because we're unable to let them rest, our minds rest naturally, then it's difficult for us to really see the importance of small virtuous acts and to experience, even it's difficult for us to even experience or feel what we are doing. And so in this situation, really what is most important for people who live in cities is that we learn how to let our minds rest naturally. We need to learn how to let our minds relax, how to let the minds rest. And this is very important. If we do this, it'll bring various different benefits. For example, if we are like taking an exam, if you take an exam and your mind is relaxed, then there is a lot of benefit to that. So you need to let your bodies and your minds relax. And if your mind is able to rest, then your body will be able to rest. If your mind can't rest, then your body can't rest. If your mind is not resting, when you go to bed at night, you may lay in your bed, but if your mind is not resting, your body will not rest either. And so, for this reason, it's very important for us to learn how to rest our minds. And so for this reason, we often talk about meditating by following the breath, by just following the breath and watching the in-breath and the out-breath. We meditate upon this way, and it's very important to do this, and I think that it is also very beneficial. And the reason for this is that when we watch the breath and we just follow the breath, normally, because our minds are so hectic and our minds are so harried, we are unable to really pay attention to our breaths. We don't pay much interest to them. We hardly even know that we are breathing. And yet, if our breath suddenly stopped, we would die. But when we begin to just watch our breath and follow the breath, and if we don't think much about the future or don't think about the past, but if we just pay attention to the breath that we're breathing right now, just watch that breath right now and relax our mind within that, then only at that point can we really begin to appreciate our breath and see how important and valuable our breathing really is. And so because of doing that, then we, at that point, we begin to get an appreciation of how amazing it is that we are alive and that we are able to breathe. And then once we have that point, we can see, we can recognize how important this in our lives, and we can see from that how important the small virtues and the things in our surroundings have become. And so at that point, we really begin to appreciate the things that we have in our own lives and the things that surround us. And then once we have that appreciation, we really begin to appreciate and value the importance of small virtuous acts.
Which small acts in the better to attain salvation, and how it is interlinked to the karma and rebirth theory? Which small acts is better to attain salvation, and how it is interlinked to the karma and rebirth theory?
자와 춘주에서다 다 체다 충사의 relative 토네 샤의 마도시 체다 충사의 깔아 가버시도 봐. 이제 링보다 통우사다 다는 신기 지 첨보다 춘준사의 찍을 찍되네. ene 지 샤마다 베게 타지도 링보제도 타지도 통통지 바지니야를 깔아 가버시다. 링주사네 다 디규젠데네 다 링주사네 빼낭 아주기 남규 랑가리아 드레글리아 안도 간다지 부르든데 지는 드루주스탄 가수지 남메르 땅지 두요아레 다이미네야 기시 가수기 안지 게웨 삼로주 땅지 아니 무춘춘지 랑가 드레글리아 코스서로 제제 안드리지기 가수라다지 지금 무춘춘지 강베 지도로 제지는지 친미미나 다들 초진의 시에는 다지 다 충중을 써마르메 다 충중을 시에는 좀더 다 충중을 해야 되는 초진 시에는 딱 간다 다 대야지 타바도 함지 캠베 귤을 하는지 가르쳐지 소주 방배기 간다 내가 좀 개와 주시가 어디들 인도스탄 소주 방배지 개와 잘이야반 루예베서 다들 중앙디가 인도스탄에 간다야 수수기 가르쳐다 미지낭기 다지 개와체스도인지 민지 가르쳐 수수 미지낭을 매대버지 수르도 미세지 셔가지 쓰고 말다 개와사도 수수 미지낭 니리 미지낭 로쇼 데쇼리아 아고 개와사도 고차 인도스탄에 데디 인도스탄다 나랑가는 두긴레지 개와차들 막고 하는 두기두기데 다 가르쳐지 장부들이야 지바 지바다라 소부들 막고 차로 근데 인도스탄 디균젠데네 에 뭐지 차이스래 그 좋아하는 강의 사제자 이제 쉬었다
Generally, when we talk about large or small virtues, or we talk about, it's all relative. It's all just related to one another. Like when we talk about long or short, or big or small, large or small, major or minor, it's all one thing in relation to each other. There's really nothing real there. It's all just in relation. So when we talk about, big or small acts, it's all relative. But like if we're, for example, if we're walking down the street, normally we don't really pay attention to whether or not we are stepping on any insects or not. However, if we have a small virtuous thought, and because of that virtuous thought, we pay attention and we make sure that we are not stepping on any insects, and we're very careful about that, then if we're paying attention in this way, then from one perspective, it is a small act. It is a small, of course it is a small act, but from another perspective, of course, it also can be the cause of liberation and omniscience, because for ourselves it is a small act, but for the insect it is a very large matter, because it's a question of whether the insect will continue living or not. And so from that perspective, it can be the cause of achieving liberation and omniscience, because it is one of the 10 virtues. So the virtue, would be included among the virtue of giving up killing, giving up taking any life. In any case, if we, within our human life, if we think of doing virtue, that's not something that's not already in our life that we then have to bring in extra. It's like it's already, it's doing the virtues within our human life. As we are walking down the road, we can give to the beggars or so forth. It's not a question of bringing in something else outside.
Thank you. I'm not taking up 3 questions. This is 2 questions more, sir. Since I'm reformulating the question, the name is not given. Dear His Holiness, something that affects our soul and mind, or a certain acts that is suffering, affecting us so deeply, such as a fear, how can we tackle our fear, such as a death?
Death.
Should I read again?
Maybe not. Jigda. Dan jigda di karshuwe dan jigda mungbuchi chiwen jigbo di da choshin da chiwen jigbo sayada kora chigi yongdi yordi chiwen jigbo mungbuchi susu gi da ngana ju mi gi namdo suwe shawa da kanda nga ju chida nga ju kieni chigi yeba nga ju samar 하고 다 최대로 주제다. 수수 미진나 신다 다 최대 상상 정리 신다 다 최대 지금도 이내 시교대 다 최. 신다도 다 최 말이야 야보용. 아 레인주산에 베라 까마치기 제일 가라 연구는 아주 다 최고 말이야. 이내 다 시교대 바지 다 최대 수수. 아니 진짜 지금 다 최고 세부도 시부지 여러 대 이면 다동 아주 친되어 말다 시시하고 되봐야 말이 인주산은 아주 시부지 가다르지 미시약 탑시 먹고 싶지 안 간다야 다 치와래 넘버 개와지 아지 아주 배주 시부지게 인자 뒤토네 찍잖아 extra fears 뭐라지 치와사디 그런 내주 인기리야 디디 많이 배서 다 뒤 토네 아지 extra fears 뭐라면 직다 태버려지 아직 아주 용되게 있어요. 안데 이제 직다 사디 치wen 집에 사디 칼리칼은 아주 좀 유직 자데 가르쳐서나 칼리칼이 가르쳐야지 로좀 채워야지. 지단기 impermanent 사디 아주 좀 미다바 사디 아주 좀 유지 미다바 세르자는 미다베기 네거티브 토는 삼다지. 이제 양 삼상 아주 미다베 포지티브 하는 삼동한테 개체식 차디가 있어서 something 미다베 인비 인장 아주려 고급 사업이에 봐 고급 사업 연구에 인장 opportunity 연구에 인장 아주 지금 요아동 고급 다른 지 미사업 치아 고급 아니 지 가리네 지 가르 사업 치아 고급을 지 용디가 그래 이제 포지티브 하는 삼동단을 지 인기래 지당 추워서디 는 아주 여기 니마 찍디 수준 미지지 임바는 신기 되게 안 두시를 체체 아니 쇼베 라요 디사네 아니 지 많이 안이 제버도 지 공다마 미지가 니두사네 는 가르쇼에 마시두게 되지기 가르쇼에 몇벌을 체체 되지 아주 트레이닝을 체위입니다 덴덴기 가르쇼지 수술리아지 가르쇼에 치와사디 수준 니르지 미지 나로래야 무튼 레대아지 니 주서버베 나도 리지 차세네 대접식 지범이요 알고 싶어지 요 시브레 선도지 늘부터는 도스
There are a lot of fears that we have, but many of them come down to a fear of death. And many of the fears of death are actually things that we make up. We fabricate them in our minds. From the moment we're born, it's definite that we are all going to die. We all know this. It's definite that we're going to die. There's nothing else that's definite in our own lives. Though we may think that there are things that we're definitely going to do, actually there's nothing that is definite in our lives except for the fact that we are going to die. And so it is certain that we will die. And yet we have no wish to die. We do not want to die. And so we often do whatever we can. We try to use many different methods to avoid death or to postpone death. And doing this and all these efforts to postpone death often create extra fears for ourselves. And so it's something that's naturally going to happen to us. And then we use it as a way to create extra fears within our life. And so, in any case, there is the fear of death that we face, and this is something we actually need to train our minds in facing the fear of death. Like, everything is impermanent. And impermanence, when you think about it in one level, seems negative. It seems like it's very difficult and negative, but it's also important for us to think about impermanence on the positive aspects of impermanence. Because everything is impermanent, then in every moment we have an opportunity. We have a new opportunity because in every moment we can change things. In every moment we can become a new person. And so if we think about this, this is thinking about impermanence in a positive light. And so if we want to train our minds in facing the fear of death, then one way to do this is to imagine that a single day is our entire life. We imagine that in the morning when we wake up, it's being born from our mother's womb. And then we progress through our lives, and then in the evening when we lie down to go to bed and fall asleep, we imagine that this is dying. And so in this way, we use the entire day as a way to train in the entire life and to train in dying. And if we do this often enough, then we see that death is actually something that is continually happening within our life. And I think that it is possible for us to come to a point where we no longer have any fear of death.
This is the last question. It comes from Ngawang Hardy. So according to you, what is the religion? A person who knows all the prayers and meditating for years but doing nothing for the society and the sentient being. Or a person who knows no prayer but just helping society and all the sentient beings. What's more important?
Almost. 가르게제. 다디 이제 가르쳐에 가르쳐라 다디 좋아를 잘해다 좋아를 인위에서 잡는다 오케이 다디 렌스 겸나 다디리아 지당기 아주지 최신의 소리야 강해지 온데 religious 지경에 religious had 당부 다리 온데산에 religious 세두산에 다 religious system 세마다 그런 solid somewhere that kind of the religion 지구를 잘 solid system the luxury religion 사실 이나 주로 상마 당부 다른 연주산에 안 바지 religious 게 system 게 차만 다다 당부디 spiritual 다려래 다드네 리베이션도 되고 luxury 차지 그렇죠 알아 luxury 차인데 미망고질이야디 luxury랑 차지 그디 luxury 제선 담아마다비 미세 소수 토안에 안 미진나로지 냠수 용어를 채세 에너지 냠용어를 사지 근데 지금 토안에 지 가르쳐 출루기 가르쳐야 돼 소소리아 가르쳐다지 미진나로지 주얼 랭겹도 버르지 이게 중요한 말 봐. 배나 나 드레인 주스 되지래. 드레인 주상 아주 출루 법조신이 마셔야지 출루디 저다지 룩스연도 지다 카스텀도 차마다지 미세지 소소리야지 미진나로 출루디 오늘전에 초아를 깨지 드리지가 토안에 엔 줄로 되게 남기 원도 섬을베 귤리게도 개중요 말 근데 레인주에서 되게 균세 때는 줄을 생각도 좀 가만 못하요 배나 나중에 배나 군조 배나 이제 상계에나래 야나네 이제 고르 지나래 다 뒤좀 윤친지 수수 딕버로 되게 샤바 치고 알아 다이네 딕버 샤바 치주스다는 다지 수수 제베 딕버는 겨샤 체인주스다네 오늘 저는 겨샤 체야디 수수 파지 배나 나르 저기 수수기 다당 되게 들려야 겨샤 체고 알죠 오늘 전에 겨샤 체고 하지 디졸지 forgive 체제 아다 디졸이야 지 가서 forgive 체제 당 다음에 디졸이야 지 수수기 고향 동아로 이제 삼로지 거 봐. 대매체야 디 구조 뉴인데 지 가서에 안에지 샤과지 체인사데 대 가와를 차리도. 오늘 전에 샤과님 타원의 지기에 비면 이제 수수 다디서 고향 동아로 시. 레인주스탄에 디 가와 먹어. 레인주스탄 디 균셀 때네 에너지 컨덴스 다 미망오지 컨덴스 리추얼 자리 다 야다야 그래 이미 내가 컨덴스 리추얼 자리 규미디 가와에 다나 신기 디원에 전에기 가수라다지 배나 아주기 남바디주기 배나 배 남상게부터 컨덴스 제베걸이야 그뒤에 이제 심전 탐지해야 내용고야 심전 탐지 대화 영화 쇼 동해미 영화 쇼에서 당 아주 모나도 스케어야 다이엠비네 딕 칸에디네 러고아르베데 엠비네 수수기 미지나로르디 오늘은 라렌다고 아르베스나 아데갈라 하우샤레 아다 드린주사는 디 가르쳐서나 아주 참참 루스기 제스 다마다베 수수기 닝 타바네 디지 개심이 임베지 통닝 타바네 딜리아 소아지 개체 아니 수수기 디 지기여디 데네요 마드린주사 디균센데 땡아줄이야 주로 냠내지게 될래야 가르소에 강에 십이 차대 요아래 섬정도 인도산 디균센 때네 안다기 공개 주발래야 디임비나 덴덴기 가르소 아주 칸된 샤디 가르치듯이 시가래 디드가스 가르소지 소스 다디 디 칸된 디 카자마인바 되라랭 토리아 내를 개버지 고유 인도산 덴덴 다지 가르소에 제가 삼다면은 간도 미지행이 샴페인 줍댕이 야야 줍지도 근데 야야 줍지 아까시 간도 제대나 한 시에는 내가 쟁이들 야다 좀 먹어 아다 가서
This is a difficulty that many people who practice religions face. Because religions, though it was not so when they first spread, religions have become systems or solid philosophical systems. Then they've become traditions. It's not that they weren't that way when they first spread. When they first spread, they were spiritual traditions. But then they gradually became customs and they became traditions. And then many people started following them because it was the custom, because it was the tradition. And they were really didn't follow it because of any particular experience, or they didn't bring it into any experience within their own human lives. And so for that reason, when they follow the tradition, it's for them, it's not something that really they don't bring it to bear on the questions that they face in their own human lives. And so when the religious traditions then become, when they become like that, and people follow the religious traditions because they're traditions and customs, then they don't really develop any real feeling out of it, and they're not able to develop any of the realization that comes from following that particular path. And so this is a particular difficulty that people who practice religions face. And so an example of this is that we often imagine that we're making confessions. You might make your confession to a god. You might make your a confession to the Buddha. You confess the wrongs that you have done. But when we regret and confess things, and actually the people we really should confess them to are our enemies. It's important that we confess to our enemies and that we actually forgive our enemies for what they have done for us. If we don't do that, then it's difficult for any confession that we make to the three jewels or to a god to have any effect. If we actually are really truly confessing, then we need to be able to forgive our enemies as well. And so when we recite prayers and so forth, of course this is good. But we have to think, what is the aim? What is the necessity of doing this? When we Buddhists recite prayers, we often talk about all sentient beings. May all sentient beings be happy. May all sentient beings be free of suffering. But if we say this orally, what are we actually doing in our human life? What is the actual practice that we're doing in our human life? That is a very difficult question. And so it is possible that if we follow the religion as a tradition and we are not really seeing how important it is to do this from the heart, then it is quite possible that we won't put it into practice. And so this is a difficulty that people who practice various religions have said. And so it's like when we say, it's as the questioner is saying, when we are reciting prayers, then what is it that we actually then need to do? Once we say something, if we're making the prayer with our mouths, then we actually need to put it into practice with our hands. And so it's not necessary to say that there are people who, of course there are people who don't recite prayers and so forth, who do a lot of good in society. And it's also not necessary to mention that there are people who may recite a lot of prayers but also cause a lot of harm.